turned 17, the spring of 1861. And I killed 20 men before I turned 21. 20 holes and 20 men, 20 holes there's buried in. There they lay in the cold red Georgia clay of Catoosa County. I could hear the screaming, I could smell black powder burning. Cannonballs are flying and the Gatling guns are turning. 1,000 souls, 1,000 men, 1,000 holes there's buried in shallow graves at the old red Georgia clay of Catoosa County. And the blue and the gray paint the colors of the light. How the old men find a way to send the young men off to die. And if I could, I would place $100 billion bounty on the hate that makes the wars, that digs the graves of Catoosa County. Night falling on the hill and the full moon comes shining. And I can hear the whippoorwill and the coyotes go to whining. And all the souls of all the men roll in the holes there's buried in blue and gray in the blood red Georgia clay of Catoosa County. And the blue and the gray are the colors of the light. And it's true, you can pray, but even God is saying why. And if I could, I would place $100 billion bounty on the hate that makes the wars, that digs the graves of Catoosa County. Servus ihr Lieben, Mai Platten. Die Bluesen-EP ist jetzt offiziell auch auf die Streaming-Plattformen und überall zum Hören. Checkt es einmal aus, wenn es euch gefällt und ihr steht nur auf CDs, kann man die auch kaufen. Links findet ihr natürlich überall unter die Videos und so weiter und so fort. Vielen Dank an alle meine Patreons, die dieses Video wieder finanziert haben und da sind's.